Hey guys! So we've been busy exploring Scotland's Northeast 250, which is a scenic tourist route through, you guessed it, the northeast of Scotland. We hired a fun camper van and took our little floof Bella with us for 3 days of exploring. Everything from the rugged North Sea coastline to the mountains of the Cairngorm National Park. This route has beaches, waterfalls and historic castle ruins. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pitch&Paws video without something going wrong. Yep, that happened. So stay tuned, subscribe and look out for a 3-part vlog of this fun Scottish road trip.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
There you go. Okay.
Hello. So we've packed up our camper van for the day and we are about to start day 2's adventures. First on the list is Findlater Castle. Do you know what that is?
It's a castle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do you know why it's special?
You told me. Something to do with rocks.
It's a castle ruins that have sunk into the cliff, so it looks quite cool. It was almost like the castle was built out of the cliff, so I'm excited to see it and I think we're going to get some nice pictures there. Hopefully Bella's going to play nicely and not try to jump off the cliffs like she was doing yesterday, because that stressed us out.
I'll leave that up to you. Oh boy.
And that was quite the climb.
Oh boy.
But I feel like we're in a good mood.
Yeah, we're better.
But today the sun is shining, it's a bright, beautiful autumnal day and we've got lots of fun things to do.
Yep.
And we're going to take you with us, so let's go to our first stop. What just happened, Evan?
I rolled my ankle.
Oh.
It was pretty bad. It was really sharp when it happened, the pain. But it's fine now. That's what I'm dealing with. Every time I do something without hurting myself, she's just pissing herself laughing.
I don't find it funny that you're in pain. It's just, this always happens to you. And the way you react is just really funny.
What do you mean the way I react? I was in pain, I rolled my ankle. How can I react in a different way?
We shouldn't be allowed out. Careful, it's slippery here, don't roll another ankle.
So we've made it to the spot. Findlater Castle behind me, over there. Spelled Findlater, and I think it should be pronounced Findlater. But so it looks like there is a path to get down there, but I don't think we will do it just because we have Bella and it's a bit steep and we'll have to come back up again. Scrap that. Anna decided to go down there on her own, leaving me on dog duty. To be fair, I didn't mind too much because I could sit up there, enjoy the view, fly my drone, and it meant I didn't have to walk back up again.
I really enjoyed exploring Findlater Castle. The views from the castle windows were amazing. But I'm not looking forward to the next bit, which is climbing back up to the top. That was quite a climb. But worth it. But it was very steep and rocky. And I had the camera in my hand. I was like, oh my god, I need to put my hands down to support myself, but I don't want to break the camera because everyone will kill me. And I think he'll be more angry if the camera breaks rather than me. But oh my god, it was so worth it down there.
So we've just done Findlater Castle, and it was really nice. Right now we are at Cullen something.
You're so bad with names.
We're at Cullen Beach right now.
It's very pretty here, but we're not going to spend much time on to the next place. Do you remember what it was called?
Oh no.
Remove the goldfish.
Scotland. We're going to Scotland now. I remember.
Oh, Fiddle Rock.
What did I say?
Scotland. So it's a short drive. Both Fiddle Rock is a nice like rock formation, very picturesque. So on our way from Fiddle Rock to where I am right now, we stopped at Elgin Cathedral. It was quite nice there, but you did have to pay for the cathedral to go in. So yeah, we just took some pictures from the outside and moved on to this spot, which is the Craigellachie Bridge, which is one of Scotland's like oldest iron bridges that's still standing. It's in a really lovely setting. You've got the River Spey running through it. But yeah, me and Evan are going to go for a walk on the bridge with Bella. So the coolest thing just happened. We were messing around on the bridge, getting some cool drone shots, and this big ass military plane does like a low pass over us. It was so epic.
Like literally just taking off from behind there.
Yeah. Do you know what it was?
Probably a Hercules. I can't remember now because I was trying to see it through the drone.
Did you film it?
And by the way, yeah, the drone was like low. We were super low.
Yeah,
so
we were about to just do a pass where we go under the bridge, and then this plane flew over. So
the drone was so low, I almost crashed it into the water.
Almost sunk it.
Yeah, and then
that was so cool, right?
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was pretty epic. Right, now it's time for lunch. So we enjoyed a cute little picnic next to the bridge, which is actually pronounced Craigellachie. We learnt that after our trip. And then we headed for a short walk from Arbelaw village to Linn Falls, which was a beautiful little waterfall, and Bella really enjoyed playing. Real smooth, like a duck. We are on to the second half of day 2 now, which starts kind of going through the Cairngorms now. There may or may have not been an argument at the waterfall because Bella was getting very wet, and she came out and she shook and got the camera all wet. Woo!
What's it called?
It wasn't fun. We're going now to the Lecht Mine. It's like an old mine building, and we're going to go for a little walk, and then we have 3 castles to see before we head to our camp spot for the tonight. And it's going to be very pretty to wake up and see those views, if we survive the night, that is. Anyway, I will check in with you when we get to Lecht Mine.
So we made it to the Lecht Mine, which is an old iron mine, and we're gonna walk there. It's right here. Is it right here?
A little bit higher.
Oh, right here.
Higher.
Right here.
A bit higher.
Right here.
A bit higher.
Right here.
A little bit to the left. That's the right. That way. Okay, I'll just move the camera. There we go.
We were here before, but last time we were here there was snow on the mountains and it looks quite different now, not seeing the white everywhere. We definitely want to come back when it's like at its worst, when there's loads of snow, and see what it looks like then. I think it's going to be quite cool. But for now, let's head over to the mine.
Yeah, we've run into some trouble. Everything was going great, the Lecht Mine was beautiful, and then we were driving to our next stop, which is quite a hilly route to get here, and the van started struggling. We decided to pull in at the Lecht Ski Centre, which is dry and there's no one here, obviously it's all like closed up. And as you can see, our van, which I've named Old Puffin, is huffing and puffing over there. I messaged the owners, they said they're going to get in contact with their breakdown cover, and in the meantime if we try and get somewhere where we can spend a night, so we don't want to really drive anywhere, so we'll just spend the night here, that's fine. Good thing about having a camper van is if you do break down, at least we can have dinner. Yeah,
if you're going to break down in any vehicle, a camper van is a really good choice of vehicle to break down in.
The awkward thing is we're right in the middle of the Cairngorms, like it's in the middle of nowhere, so...
At the very least we're up a mountain, up a peak. So whichever way we have to go, if we have to move, it's downhill. So
it's very lonely up here. We've got some sheep friends who actually ran away when they saw Bella, and there's some really funny like bird noises.
Yeah. All right, we'll catch you.
I'm really cold though. I wouldn't.
Whenever it is, I don't know when it is.
I would quite like a cup of tea. Is that going to push things too far? Am I asking for too much right now?
Anna was like, should we set up the awning for a bit? Yeah, set up the awning, do a little barbecue.
Am I asking for too much by just wanting a cup of tea?
I think it'd be nice.
Just because I'm cold?
Yeah, tea, dinner, I'll do the whole lot. No worries, mate.
Light the candles.
Yeah. Oh, fairy lights. Let's get the fairy lights out. Oh my god, that's gonna be
well, you've got to make the best of a bad situation.
Yeah. Or just don't be in a bad situation to begin with. Well, it's dinner time. We have chicken casserole from a can, very appetizing, basically dog food, and we're gonna do mash with it as well, instant mash. Now I don't want any bad words about the instant mash. This is good stuff. I'll show it to you. Idahoan, is that what it's called? Idahoan. Very good instant mash. Yeah, the good thing with cooking inside the van is that it's heating it up a little bit because it was getting pretty cold. Don't worry about that. That's just the water, it does that. I don't know why.
As you can see, after dinner we were all knackered, so it was straight to bed. Let's just say we didn't get the best night's sleep, but in the morning we woke up early and the van was working again. Hooray! So we were able to drive home and return it back to its owners.
So despite our trip being cut short because of this little unplanned adventure, we had a fantastic time exploring the Northeast 250. Everything from the dramatic coastlines to amazing bridges, old castle ruins, it was a real Scottish adventure. And don't worry, we're planning on coming back to finish our trip and revisit some of those amazing places, and we're aiming on putting a full guide together to showcase all the route has to offer. But for now, thank you very much for watching our 3-part video. We hope you enjoyed it, and please let us know in the comments below.